What is going on, y'all? Welcome to, I forget what day it is. It's Thursday now. Just got back from Ozark Iron, trained posterior chain today. I'm snacking on half a cup of macadamia nuts. We use these for a prop, in the promo video. So they've been sitting on my desk and I'm eating them right now. So this is the first thing I'm eating today. I'm gonna eat these, then I'm gonna eat some more chicken for lunch, and we're gonna do MMA at some point today. So I haven't really gotten many calories in, so I've got to catch up and put in work to get my intake in for the day, so I'm not scrambling around at night to try and slam down 4,000 calories. So I'll keep you posted on what I wind up going with. Right now, I'm gonna finish these out first. All right, y'all, there's the chicken for the day. I don't have any mayo, so I'm just gonna put some hot sauce on it. Have not yet had a break, so I'm way low on calories. All right, y'all, we're about ready to do MMA. However, before we do that, Bryson and I are kind of testing out this BioCoach shirt print, so let me show you what we got cooking there. All right, so we have a flattening screen, which is basically used to help kind of mat the shirt fibers down so they don't poke through the design. We've got the logo and the coach. We've got the bio, and we got the tagline. My blood sugar don't jiggle jiggle. There we go. Alright, let's put it on a shirt. Alright, we got the shirt down. They're going with the gray. So we got the gray shirt.
Yep, so
We'll do the back of it first.
yeah, if all goes well, then this shouldn't be as matted as we were seeing from our first two prints.
Alright, we got the BioCoach blue.
This is a nice blue.
Boom chakalaka.
So there's first pass.
And flash it.
Flash it.
8 seconds underneath the flash dryer over there.
Yeah.
Boom chakalaka, boom chakalaka. Boom chakalaka.
Been about 8 seconds, yeah. It's a fast 8 seconds, but you know, let's see. Any ink come up? A little bit. Flash it back.
Flash it back.
And that's how you check. Too much ink came off on my finger.
BioCoach blue on the finger.
Yep. It's a nice blue though.
Alright, here we go.
Alright, and so now what we're looking for is, this is a flattening screen, and
Yeah,
I don't know
show
if
what
you
we're
can
looking
tell
at.
on camera, but there's some fibers that are kind of poking up from the shirt as
Yeah,
the
we want
ink
to
is
basically
warm.
mat those fibers down.
And so in doing that, we just take this screen. It doesn't have any design on it. You can kind of see my blood sugar don't jiggle jiggle, but that's
It's
just from the
pressure,
ink.
basically.
So we just put enough pressure on this amount of pressure, and then the next print
Should be smoother.
should be smooth. And what we're looking for isn't a hard press, so we want to make sure that the ink is clearing through the screen. And when we get there, just enough pressure, nothing hard to where the ink does clear the screen, but doesn't bring, oh my bad, doesn't bring those fibers back up. So I kind of failed on this G, on the top of this G here, but I left some ink in the screen too.
Yeah,
So
you hit it again?
yeah, I hit it one more time. And now,
Alright.
what should happen is there shouldn't be many fibers, other than, like I said, I messed up on the top of this G, but everything else looks pretty smooth.
My blood sugar don't jiggle jiggle. Now we can run it through the
Yep.
machine.
Now we just take this off the flatten, roll this over,
Rigel would like this shirt.
boom. His favorite song right
There we go. Gotta love it. Alright, y'all, we just knocked out the MMA. Bryson, Josiah, Chip, and myself. We did kicks, round kicks, switch kicks, 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, which is jabs, crosses, right hook, left hook, in case you're wondering. It's good though. You get a good workout in?
there. Yeah, this guy knows how to kick, so
Yeah, buddy.
if y'all ever see him out in public, don't fight him. Don't fight him.
Don't fight me, bro. Come at me, bro.
What's going on, guys? All right, it is a little past 5 o'clock, and I did not eat lunch today, so this is my technically lunch. This is the chicken thighs that Robert and I grilled earlier this week. That is what I am having, and I'm also going to have some meatballs that I pre-prepped couple months ago for after Rigel was born. And these guys, and the house is a mess, so we gotta clean the house. And these guys are, Robert is treating Rigel as if he were a drum. That is not a hint to go harder.
He likes it.
I don't think he does.
He does. He's zoning out. It's like acupuncture, except different.
Definitely not anything like acupuncture. Alright, Robert's gonna go mow the lawn. This cuteness is going to...
Look at all the little face zits he's got from his skin getting used to the sun. Kind of crazy.
What is it?
Just like all the little bumps on his face.
It's just his face getting used to not being in a sack of fluid. Huh, cuteness. Look at that cuteness. Alright, we're gonna check out of here. Okay, so I'm a couple bites into my food. This is what Robert's gonna eat. This is the spicy cheeseburger casserole that he started eating yesterday? Day before? Can't remember. But this is the other half. It is just about 1,800 calories, so he's going to scarf this down and then mow the lawn. So that's it. See ya. Alright, y'all, just got the yard mowed. Check out this beautiful yard. Look at that. Woo, doggies. Doesn't get any better than a freshly mowed yard. I've still got about 500 calories left to come up with, so might make a shake or something like that and see. But I gotta figure out something to top out that 4,000 calorie goal. Boom, y'all, we got the 500 calorie shake in my high school mug. Graduating from class of 2010, Robinson High School. Booyah, baby. Alright, y'all. I got my macros for you. I got my shake in hand. Let's tell you what we got. For the day, we have 4,069 total calories. 320. You laughing at me? 322 grams of total fat, 27 grams of total carbs, and 237 grams of total protein, for a total fat ratio of 73.3% of my total daily calories are coming from dietary fat. And that is a wrap. About to finish this shake, go to bed, get a good night's sleep, and start tomorrow. Crystal says I've been snoring. Yep.
I have not been mouth taping this past month because of Rigel.
Which means I'm not sleeping if I know he's snoring.
So I'm gonna mouth tape tonight and we'll see if that helps my snoring. She snores too though. Yeah. Oh yeah, she does. Don't let her lie to you like that, y'all. Alright, love you. Take care. Toodaloo. See you tomorrow.